Hi guys, this is Miss Phillips. I just want to walk you guys through some things about Odyssey to show you how you can be the most successful when you're taking these Odyssey, you're doing these Odyssey lessons and quizzes that we will eventually be taking a grade on. So I'm going to log in here to a pretend account to show you guys the best way to do this. So I'm logging in. If I'm doing Odyssey, I would click on Odyssey. If I'm doing PathBlazer, I would click on that. What I want to show you though is whatever subject that you're working on, we're going to pretend that we're doing ELA today. We've already talked about how you always do the snowflake first before you are allowed to move on to anything else. So this first snowflake is an instructional video right here. It is very, very important that you guys really pay attention to the videos, maybe even take notes while you're watching it. Watch it at least 2 times, and then when you move on to, there's usually a practice after that, you need to have that video information fresh in your head for that practice. If you don't do well in the practice, you need to try that practice again. Don't move on to the quiz until you've scored well on the practice. Then, once you take that quiz, if you need to take it again, I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So if I score below 70% on the quiz, then I can come over here and I can click on my portfolio. Right here, it's going to tell me, it's going to allow me to look at today's things that I've worked on. It'll show me what I've done this whole week, or it will even go back and show me a whole month's worth of work. So I'm going to actually click over my assignments tab. It's going to show me what I'm currently working on, what's in progress, and then it'll also show me my completed assignments. This person has not completed any assignments, but when I do have something completed, then this is where I can go back, and if I want to click details out here to the side of the assignment, it's going to show me what's a part of this assignment down here. Here's the instructional video. If it's all filled in blue, that means that I've completed it. If it's still white or it's only partially blue, that means you're not finished with the entire assignment. The quiz is where we're going to be getting our grades from. Remember, if you score below a 70%, you need to go back and you need to try to take that quiz again. And I can do that right here in my portfolio again. If it pulls up a quiz, and let's click down here on the month. Let's see. I'm going to click on, I don't have anything completely completed, but you can click on your score and it will allow you to retake the quiz. If you're having a hard time, just message me. I have a link that I can send you that will also allow you to do that. Let's see. What it should have done was given me an activity code here, and then I come down and click on this and put in the code. There's another video on the class stream that Miss Turner's made, and she shows you how to take that code and put it into the search bar here to find the quiz to take it again. So if you need to do that, please look back at the video that she made that I posted yesterday. But again, remember guys, take your time when you're watching those instructional videos. If you're practicing and you're not getting it, watch that video again. I would recommend watching it at least twice before you move on to the practice, and make sure you're solid on that practice before you take that quiz. Okay, I'll see you guys later.